strong enough. They might laugh at your dreams and tell you, hindi mo kaya yan or imposible yan. When we hear this many times, it can hurt us. Sometimes, we even start to believe them. But here's the truth. Their words do not define you. Only you can decide what you can do. Believing in yourself is like planting a seed in the ground. At first, the seed is small and invisible. People might pass by and think nothing is happening. But every day, you water it with all your effort, your patience, and your hard work. Slowly, the seeds grows roots. Then one day, it pushes through the soil and it becomes a plant. Eventually, it becomes a strong tree or a beautiful flower. That is how believing in yourself works. It grows slowly, but it becomes powerful. Many successful people were doubted in the beginning. Thomas Edison was told by his teacher that he was masyadong bobo para matuto ng kahit ano. But he did not listen. Instead, he kept working until he invented the light bulb. Walt Disney was fired from a job because they said he had no imagination. But today, his name is known all over the world. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, had her book rejected by 12 publishers before one finally said yes. Imagine if she had stopped trying after being told na hindi pwede so many times. In life, we will always meet two kinds of people. There are those who lift us up, the ones who believe in us, encourage us, and want us to succeed. And then there are those who try to pull us down, the one who doubt us, criticize us, or make us feel small. The truth is, you cannot control what people say, but you can control what you believe about yourself. Believing in yourself does not mean you will never make mistakes. You might fail many times, but failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success. Every time you fall, you learn something new. Every time you get back up, you become stronger and braver. So the next time someone tells you na hindi mo kaya yan, don't let their words stop you. Instead, smile and say, look at me. Prove them wrong, not by arguing, but by showing them through your actions. Use their doubts as motivation to work harder. At the end of the day, the